Hey there. So today we are going to see some vocabulary words related to the topic on the road. We will discuss some basic things that you see on the road and some things that you feel while you are traveling or on the road. So let's get started. Highway. Highway. A main road, especially one connecting major cities. We took the highway to get to the beach faster. Highway. Freeway. Freeway. A highway designed for high-speed traffic, often with multiple lanes. The freeway was packed with cars during rush hour. Freeway. Lane. Lane. A marked division of a road for a single line of vehicles. Stay in your lane when driving on the highway. Lane. Avenue. Avenue. A wide street in a city or town, typically tree-lined. The shops on Fifth Avenue are always busy. Avenue. Boulevard. Boulevard. A wide street with trees on both sides, often in an urban area. The parade marched down the boulevard, cheered by spectators. Boulevard. Intersection. Intersection. The point at which two or more roads meet or cross. Be sure to look both ways before crossing the intersection. Intersection. Traffic. Traffic. The movement of vehicles on road or the congestion caused by it. Heavy traffic delayed our arrival at the airport. Traffic. Congestion. Congestion. The state of being overcrowded or blocked. The city experiences congestion during rush hour. Congestion. Commute. Commute. The journey between one's home and place of work or study. His commute to work takes about 45 minutes each way. Commute. Pedestrian. Pedestrian. A person walking on a road or pavement. Drivers should always yield to pedestrians at crosswalks. Pedestrian. Speed limit. Speed limit. The maximum legal speed at which a vehicle may travel on a particular road. The speed limit on this highway is 65 miles per hour. Speed limit. Roundabout. Roundabout. A road junction at which traffic moves in one direction around a central island. The city installed a roundabout to improve traffic flow. Roundabout. Detour. Detour. A route taken to avoid a closed road or other obstacle. We had to take a detour because of the road construction. Detour. Toll road. Toll road. A road for which a toll is charged for its use. We avoided the toll road to save money on our trip. Toll road. Merge. Merge. To blend two streams of traffic into one. Use your turn signal when merging onto the highway. Merge. Lane markings. Lane markings. Painted lines on a road indicating the division of lanes and direction of traffic flow. Follow the lane markings to stay in your lane. Lane markings. Shoulder. Shoulder. The side of a road where vehicles may park or stop in emergencies. Pull over to the shoulder if your car breaks down. Shoulder. Overtake. Overtake. To pass another vehicle while traveling in the same direction. He carefully overtook the slow-moving truck on the highway. Overtake. Yield. Yield. To give the right of way to another vehicle or pedestrian. Be sure to yield to oncoming traffic when turning left. Yield. Merge lane. Merge lane. A designated lane used for merging onto a highway or freeway. Use the merge lane to safely enter the flow of traffic. Merge lane. Carpool. Carpool. To share a ride with others, typically to work or school. We decided to carpool to reduce our carbon footprint. Carpool. Exit. Exit. A point at which one may leave a freeway or highway. Take the next exit to get to the shopping center. Exit. Turnpike. Turnpike. A toll road, especially one on which tolls are collected at various points along the route. We paid several tolls while driving on the turnpike. Turnpike. U-turn. U-turn. A 180-degree turn made by a vehicle to reverse its direction. He made a U-turn after realizing he was going the wrong way. U-turn. Crosswalk. Crosswalk. A marked path for pedestrians to cross a road safely. Always look both ways before crossing the crosswalk. Crosswalk. Sidewalk. Sidewalk. A path for pedestrians at the side of a road or street. We walked on the sidewalk to avoid walking in the street. Sidewalk. Speed bump. Speed bump. a raised portion of a road designed to slow down vehicles. The speed bump jolted the car as we drove over it. Speed bump. Signage. Signage. Signs collectively, especially those used for advertising or road information. The signage on the highway was clear and easy to follow. Signage. Road work. Road work. Construction or repair work done on a road. The road work caused delays on our morning commute. Road work. Pavement. Pavement. The surface of a road or sidewalk. She tripped and fell on the uneven pavement. Pavement. Traffic light. Traffic light. A signal at an intersection indicating when vehicles may proceed, stop or turn. Wait for the traffic light to turn green before crossing the intersection. Traffic light. Speeding. Speeding. Driving faster than the posted speed limit. He was pulled over for speeding on the highway. Speeding. Tailgate. Tailgate. To drive too closely behind another vehicle. Don't tailgate the car in front of you, it's dangerous. Tailgate. Crossroad. Crossroad. A road that crosses another road. The accident occurred at the crossroad near the gas station. Crossroad. Overpass. Overpass. A bridge carrying one road over another. We drove over the overpass to avoid the traffic below. Overpass. Underpass. Underpass. A road or pedestrian passage that crosses under a road or railway. The underpass provides a safe route for pedestrians. Toll booth. Toll booth. A booth at which tolls are collected on a toll road. We stopped at the toll booth to pay the toll before continuing our journey. Toll booth. Road rage. Road rage. Aggressive or angry behavior exhibited by a driver in response to a traffic incident. He experienced road rage after being cut off by another driver. Road rage. Lane closure. Lane closure. A situation in which one or more lanes of the road are closed to traffic. Plan for delays due to lane closures on the highway. Lane closure. Rest area. Rest area. An area alongside a highway where travelers can stop to rest, use restroom facilities, and sometimes purchase refreshments. We stopped at the rest area to stretch our legs and grab a snack. Rest area. Median. Median. The strip of land between the lanes opposing traffic on a divided highway. The median is planted with trees and flowers to beautify the highway. Median. Tail light. Tail light. The rear lights of a vehicle used to indicate braking and turning intentions. Check your tail lights regularly to ensure they are working properly. Tail light. Speed trap. Speed trap. A location where law enforcement officers monitor and enforce speed limits, often with hidden, inconspicuous vehicles. He got a speeding ticket after being caught in a speed trap on the highway. Speed trap. Road trip. Road trip. A journey made by car, typically for pleasure, that involves traveling long distances. We are planning a road trip across the country this summer. Road trip. On-ramp. On-ramp. A lane that allows vehicles to enter a highway or freeway from a local road. Use the on-ramp to merge onto the freeway safely. On-ramp. Traffic jam. Traffic jam. A situation in which a long line of vehicles is unable to move or is moving very slowly. We were stuck in a traffic jam for hours due to an accident up ahead. Traffic jam. Route. Route. A way or course taken in traveling from one place to another. We chose a scenic route for our drive through the countryside. Route. Guardrail. Guardrail. A barrier placed along the edge of a road or bridge to prevent vehicles from veering off. The guardrail saved us from plunging off the cliff when the brakes failed. Guardrail. Road trip playlist. Road trip playlist. A collection of songs curated specifically for listening during a road trip. We put together a road trip playlist to keep us entertained on the long drive. Road trip playlist. Road sign. Road sign. A sign erected beside or above a road to give information or directions to drivers. Follow the road signs to find the nearest gas station. Road sign. Parking lot. Parking lot. An area where vehicles can be parked, usually with marked spaces. We park the car in the parking lot before heading into the mall. Parking lot. Speedometer. Speedometer. An instrument in a vehicle that measures and displays the speed of the vehicle. Check the speedometer regularly to ensure you are not exceeding the speed limit. Speedometer. Turn signal. Turn signal. A device in a vehicle that indicates to other drivers the intention to turn or change lanes. Always use your turn signal to signal your intentions to other drivers. Turn signal. If you liked today's video or if you learned something new, please subscribe to my channel, comment and share. Thank you for watching.